Civilians were among the casualties in the eastern Ukrainian town of Avdiyivka after an escalation in fighting between government troops and Russia-backed separatists. One man was treated for a shrapnel wound to the neck on January 31st after his home was hit by shelling. Monitors for the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe said at times fighting was so intense that more than 2,300 explosions were heard over a 24-hour period. The OSCE said 17,000 civilians in and around Avdiyivka were left without electricity, heating, and water following heavy shelling in the area. With temperatures plunging as low as minus 18 degrees Celsius, locals arrived at a makeshift camp to take refuge in tents heated by generators. They were able to recharge their mobile phones and get meals provided by volunteer aid groups. Ukrainian officials said they're considering mass evacuations. Both sides blamed each other for the recent spike in hostilities, which has caused the highest number of casualties in more than a month. A fragile truce between Ukrainian government troops and Russia-backed separatists has been frequently broken since being signed in February 2015.